Hold on, I just want to share our delightful text exchange from this morning.
Yeah.
Oh, from last night, actually.
Okay.
Trying to figure out what time we were gonna meet to do grumping today. So I was like, "Yo, Donut Puncher, what time would you like to start tomorrow?" And you responded, 12, boo. And then that quickly followed with an avalanche of text. Also, don't ever fucking call me Donut Puncher again. I will fucking kill you. I will fucking kill you. I will fucking murder your face. Fuck you. And like, as I'm trying to respond, so you can clearly see the little like 3 dots,
Yeah.
you know, you were like, my mother called me a Donut Puncher. You know what I did? I fucking killed her. I fucking killed her. I fucking murdered her face. Fuck her. And I was like, cool, see you at 12. And you're like, see you tomorrow.